In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know what size my design is in Canva. This is a quick skill that saves time, helps you export correctly, and keeps your designs crisp on any platform. We'll check the current dimensions, then look at a simple way to view those dimensions in different measurement units without accidentally changing anything. Start by opening your design in Canva. At the top left, click the File menu. Right under the file name, you'll see the dimensions listed. Usually in a format like 1920 by 1080 pixels. That first number is the width, and the second is the height. If you are wondering about aspect ratio, those numbers also tell you that. For example, 1920 by 1080 is a 16:9 ratio, which is standard for presentations and videos. This file view is the fastest way to confirm size at a glance, and you don't have to change a thing. Next, look to the top toolbar and find the button labeled Resize and Magic Switch. Or it may simply say Resize depending on your account. Go ahead and click it. Don't worry, opening this panel won't modify your design. It just reveals more sizing details and options. From the drop-down that appears, choose Custom Size. This is where Canva shows your current width and height in editable fields. Think of this panel as a dashboard. It mirrors the exact dimensions your design is using right now. If you only need to know the size, you can stop here after confirming the numbers. If you want to view the same size in different measurements, keep going. Next to the width and height fields, T here is a unit selector. Click it to switch between pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters. This is perfect when you are preparing a print piece that needs inches or millimeters, or a digital graphic where pixels are standard. Changing the unit here simply converts the displayed values. It doesn't alter the underlying design unless you actually apply a resize. A helpful tip: avoid clicking the resize button at the bottom unless you truly intend to change the dimensions. If you are just checking or converting units, review the numbers and then close the panel to keep everything exactly as it is. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.